Hey y'all, and welcome to the Birmingham Real Estate Market Update. This is the 60th week of us going through and looking at the Birmingham real estate market week by week in terms of sales and inventory and price and all the aspects of what's going on in the Birmingham real estate market. So that's what we're going to do today. We're seeing a new pattern starting to emerge, and whether that's seasonal or whether that's a result of the market and the economy is starting to really open back up is yet to be determined, but you'll see today we're definitely in a new kind of shift in terms of inventory in our market. My name is Rob Drum. I'm a real estate broker at eXp Realty here in Birmingham, Alabama. My contact information is in the description below if you want to reach out to me for any reason, anything I can help you with. I'm doing a webinar today actually on buying and selling rental portfolios here in the Birmingham market. That's a big part of my business, is helping investors buy and sell. So I'll be kind of drilling down on that niche specifically this afternoon at 3 p.m. You can sign up for that at robert.h.drum.us/webinar. So let's get into the numbers for this week. You can see what I'm talking about on kind of this new pattern. We had 464 closings last week. That compares to the same week the previous year at 533. And you can see last week we got revised well higher, 80 more sales last week versus the previous year. So really all of June, we're running a little bit ahead of schedule. I think as this week gets revised higher, it'll probably come right in line with the number from last year. So June, we should see higher sales than June of last year. On the active listings, this is what I'm talking about in terms of the new pattern emerging here. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of more listings available on our MLS, and this is a turnaround from really since the pandemic started, March or April of last year. Inventory was just dropping. There was less and less available on the market. And this was really right about the bottom, around 1,700 active listings. And now we've bounced back up for a couple weeks now. So definitely something going on there. It could just be that it's summer. It could be that the mask ordinance is lifted here and people are really feeling like they're getting back to normal, ready to sell, and ready to make moves. Prices are considerably higher than they were last year, so that may encourage some people that it's time to sell as well. On the mortgage front, I'm kind of blocking this here with my camera, but we went from 2.93 on the 30-year mortgage rate index to 3.02, so a slight bump up. You can see here on the chart. I think that was in April when we were up around 3.15. So we're still not in any territory that this would really even be that noticeable, but just something that I think we definitely want to keep an eye on as we see how this recovery unfolds and where the steam might be letting out of the balloon, so to speak. Thank y'all for watching. I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel. Really means a lot, helps me know to keep doing these videos. Thank you for all your kind words about, in the last day, I've talked to a lot of people that since I started doing these videos have gotten government grant money and things, stayed updated on the market in ways that they said they wouldn't have otherwise. So that really means a lot to me. That's why I started doing this. So again, if you want to hear about buying and selling rental portfolios, managing and financing rental portfolios as well, you can sign up for that at robdrum.us/webinar and join us today at 3 p.m. So thank you all again for watching today, and we will see you back here for the Real Estate Investor Roundup next week.